I'm going to show this again. So with the band deadlift, so we have to use ultimately both the things, but start with the band. So place the band down, place one foot and the other foot. So one end is loose, one end is tied with the feet. Now from here, pull the band, keep your elbows straight, go down in a deadlift. So when you go down in a deadlift, there should still be a tension in your band, and you come back up, down and up. Okay, and later in the second set, you're going to hold the dumbbells in your hands as well. Let's go for it, guys. Second set, those who are done the first set, 12 counts. Yes, Bhavna, get up full. Turn your pelvis inside as you get up. Yes. Fold your knees as you go down, Bhavna. It's a deadlift. Yes, good, Ankita. Very nice. Okay, if you are done second set, do the third set. In third set, try doing 15 counts. Sameer, chest out. Keep your chest out. Back straight. Bend down from your hips more. Yes, Radhika, let's go for another set. Done. 3. Okay. Alright, Vikram, done 3 sets. Good. Those who are done 3 sets can relax. Yes, good, Rahul, good. Okay. Alright. Those who are done 3 sets, Niti, you are also done, I think. 3. Okay. So, Niti, Vikram, Radhika, you can just observe. The second movement, you are going to do single leg deadlifts. Alright. And then for this, we use only the dumbbell. Okay. So, hold one dumbbell in your hand. I will be repeating it for others. But right now, as you are free, you can see it. One leg is up. Okay. From here, do a deadlift on one leg and come back up. Okay. Deadlift on one leg and come back up. Just observe the side angle. So as you go down, the front leg is bent, back leg is straight, chest is out, elbows are straight. And you come back up. Try to balance yourself. You should not lose your balance here. Be on one leg. Don't let this leg drop. Okay. Down and up. We'll be doing 12 counts on one leg. Okay. Yes, Dipen, you can also start with single leg. Yes. Yes, Ajita, try balancing. Bharat, if you're done 3 sets, you can start with single leg deadlifts. Using a dumbbell only. Single leg is with using a dumbbell only. One single dumbbell. 12 counts, Niti. Sameer, are you done 3 counts, 3 sets of deadlifts? Okay. Parag, chest out, back straight as you go down. Okay, Amrish, we are doing single leg deadlifts. Let me just show it to you. Sameer, you can also observe it. Hold one single dumbbell in your hand. Lift one leg up. Now go down just the way you were doing the double leg deadlift. You are going to balance your body on a single leg, down and up. Now if you observe from the side, as you go down, this leg is bent, chest is out, this leg is straight. Dumbbell held here, elbows straight, and you come up. Again from here, go down, pause and come up. 12 counts. Let's go for it. Yes, Ankita, try it. Very nice. Good, good. Excellent, Bhavna. Good, good. Balance, balance, balance. Down and up. Yes, good. 12 counts. Amrish, when you go down, try giving it a slight pause. Otherwise, the movement is fine. Yes, good, Rahul, good. Varun, you need to spend more time down. Go down, yes. And don't keep your hand here. Just keep your hand out if you want. Otherwise, you can hold the dumbbell with both the hands. Balance yourself. Try to create that balance. Yes. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. Yes, keep trying. 12 on each side and we do 3 sets. Focus more on the posture here. Bend your front knee, back leg straight, chest out. Yes, much better Varun, much better. Vikram, are you fine? There is a back stiffness or something? Thoda sa? Okay. So what you can do is just stretch your back in a child and a cobra pose for once before you begin the second set. Better Varun, better. Bend your front knee slightly more. Yeah, so Vikram, if you feel soreness in your back too much, you can bend halfway, okay? Don't go down too much. Yes, that's fine, that's fine. Try to reduce the number of counts as well if you are uneasy. But a slight soreness in the back is fine because what we are working on is our lower back. Yes.
Like I'm only able to do one set in this much duration, so
That's fine, that's fine. Don't worry about the duration. If the duration exceeds, I'll automatically ask everyone to hold. 12 counts and 3 sets. So spend time on deadlifts. Yes, very nice Ankita, good. Try to balance. So you need to go down along with your hands. So if you're here, just there should be a sync down and up. Don't take your hands first and then go down, or don't go down and then take your hands. It has to be a sinking movement like here. So you go down like this and you come back up. Down, pause, come back up. Yes, try to balance. Use your core strength here to balance yourself as you go down. So your hamstrings, your glutes will be engaged as you go down. And you don't need to go down too much. You don't need to touch the feet or something. You just need to go down till the time your chest remains out and the back is parallel to the floor. Yes, Amrish, done 3 sets. Finish 3 sets, 12 counts each. You can reduce the count if anyone is getting too tired. You can reduce the count, but spend at least 20 seconds on one side. That is the whole idea. Good, Bharat, good. Radhika, chest out. Okay. Those who are done 3 sets, try being in the child pose. Relax your lower back. Be in the cobra and the child pose to relax your lower back slightly. While we'll be moving on to the next movement in another minute. Yes, be in the child pose, relax your spine, be in the cobra. Chest out, Bhavna. Deadlifts haven't ended today. We have one more deadlift. Okay. So now we'll be doing stiff leg deadlift. Okay. And that works more on your, so it involves your calves slightly more as compared to the other types of deadlifts. Just observe how are we going to do it. Depending on your body strength and flexibility, weight is not very much important here. To begin with, I'm going to hold dumbbells in my hands. Keep your knees straight, okay, and soft. Alright, just observe, knee is not locked, knee soft, but knee is not bent. Knee straight and soft. Don't lock, straight and soft, okay. Legs joined together, not too much, as in feet should not be touching each other, but slightly like this. So this is my normal deadlift stance. Bring your feet closer, but your feet are not touching each other, okay, slightly like this. So this is how we go. Now from here, try going down as much as possible and come back up. Try going down. Now observe my knees. My knees are straight and soft. This is the end point, and from here I come back up. Watch the front angle. The legs are not too wide. They are closer to each other. You bend down, pause and come back up. Go down, pause, come back up. Yes, this is a stiff leg deadlift. You are stiffening your leg. You are not bending your knees, but your legs remain soft down. Your back is straight. It is not hunched. Okay, it's suppose your flexibility allows you to go down just this much. That's fine. And you come back up. Let's do 10 counts in the first set. Stiff leg deadlift. Don't lock your joints, but keep your legs straight. Back should not be hunched. This is not a toe touch. Back should not be hunched. Back straight. Sameer, back straight, chest out. You are going to hurt your back. Yeah, come up from here only. Don't let your back hunch. Varun, you are bending your knees too much. Keep your knees straight. Even if you're not able to go down, that's fine. Vikram, you're going down too much. Come back from halfway. You're hunching your back. Go down. From here only come up. Come up. Yes, good. Parag, knees slightly straight. Straighten them up more. Soft and straight. So that is the trick. Yes. 10 counts in the first set and then walk around. Drop your weights when you are relaxing. Even if you are holding the dumbbells while walking, your body is not at rest. Yes, knees straight but not locked. Bharat, show me a side angle. No, you're bending your knee too much. Keep your knee straight. Yes, come up from here only. You don't need to go down too much, but keep your knee straight. Knee straight, Bharat. Knee straight. Straighten them more, yes. One more set, everyone. Same movement. We do 2 sets of this movement. Second set, try doing 12 counts. If you bend down too much or you bend down your knees too much, you won't be feeling in your calves. Try to, that will be a usual deadlift only. Try engaging your calves more. Yes, good Bhavna, good. Try holding weights in your hands now. Very nice, Niti. Parag, chest out, back straight. Don't bend down too much. Come up from here only.
Uh, my weights have been misplaced. I can't find them. Sorry.
You have a band. हाँ, band से कर लो. Okay. Okay, 2 sets only, and then you can walk, you can be in the child pose, relax yourself as well. Okay. Now, we move to the back now, upper back slightly. So, we'll be working on our lat muscles, which are your back muscles. So, the two movements that we'll be doing for lats will be bend over rows and renegade rows. So, renegade rows today will not be focusing on cardio or balance, but more on the back. Alright, so bend over rows, let's see how are we going to do that. First set is with the dumbbells. Just observe. Place your hands, dumbbells like this, okay? This is a slightly different movement. This is a slightly different movement. Today we are going to do with palms facing up. Alright, now to begin with, stand with your legs shoulder length apart. Bend your knees, go down. Just as the deadlift stance, this is called gorilla stance. Okay, be in the gorilla stance. Pull and down. Pull and down. Pull and down. Just observe. I'm here. Pull, elbows closer, chest is out, hips are bent. Okay, and down. Pull and down. Now, one mistake we might make here is we are too much up. We try pulling from here. Now, what is happening here is I am engaging my shoulders more rather than my lats. Why? Because I need to take the advantage of gravitational force. Okay, the force is pulling my dumbbells down and I am pulling against it up. Okay, got the logic? Why bending down? Alright, so hands like this. Be in the gorilla stance and up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Yes, let's go for it. 12 counts. Start. 2 dumbbells in your hands. Good, Bhavna, good. No, Sameer, you are doing bicep curls. I want you to do the pulls. Ha. Yes, yes. Try to now reverse your palm facing up and try pulling it while you are bending. Palms facing up. Sameer, so your dumbbells are like this. Yes, yes, this is what we are looking at. Chest out. Good. Okay. Yes, Bharat, try bending down more. From your back, you need to make your back slightly parallel to the floor to take the advantage of gravity there. Radhika, chest out. Okay. One more set of bend over rows. One more set. Same movement, one set more. Yes. Bhavna, you will be using bands. Though I wanted everyone to do with dumbbells in the first two and then the band. So, place your band like this. That's for Bhavna. Hold the band. And from here, same movement. Pull it up and down. Pull it up and down. Very nice, Dipen. Good. Okay. Now in the third set, bring your bands, everyone. Bhavna, relax. The movement wasn't coming as right, but I think with lying down it will come. So sit down with your band. Just observe. Looping your band around your feet. Okay. Sit down, chest out, back straight. We will be doing back rowing now. Okay. We will not be doing the bend over rows. Now in the third set, we will be doing back rowing. So I am holding the band from both the ends. Pull it out and back. You don't need to straighten the arm because here is you will lose the resistance. Okay. So try to have a good resistance here so that when you pull it, you feel something crunching in your back. Crunch your lats and out. Pull and out. The entire time your lats should be engaged. Don't let it loose. The moment you feel the band is loose, you lose the resistance. Okay. We are going to do 15 counts here like this. Chest out, back straight. Again, if you watch the front angle here, you will observe the elbows are closer. Don't keep your elbows out. And try pulling the band towards your stomach instead of chest. Down towards your stomach. Let's go for it. Start. 15 counts, everyone. Yes. So Ankita, pull it towards your stomach, not your chest. Slightly pull it down. Yes. Yes. Good, Ajita. Try to push your elbows back further. Good, Prashant. Yes. Very nice, Dipen. Yes. Bhavna, don't hunch your back straight. 15 counts is what we are going to do. Yes. Amrish, you're done. Okay. Elbows closer. 15 counts. Okay. If you are done, you can relax. Now before the renegade rows, while we are sitting in this pose, let's do the face pulls as well. Keep sitting there. You can rest in a cross leg position if you wish to. 15 counts, one set only. Alright. Now let's observe how we are going to do the face pulls. Again, band is wrapped around your feet, legs are straight, chest is out. Now in the first movement, we were pulling it like this. Yes. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take our arms up towards our face and down. Okay, it's a slightly tricky movement. I'm going to slightly tilt my camera angle so that you can see the face movements as well. Now, while you are here, watch the front angle. Entwine your band so that you have good resistance there. Now, just observe, you are going to pull it towards your face, elbows up and down. Pull and down towards your face, elbows out and down. Okay, got it? Let's do 15 counts. Chest remains out. Back remains straight. Start 15 counts in the first set. We'll be doing 3 sets of this movement. Yes, good Amrish, good, very nice. Good Varun, good. Yes, try to pull it here everyone and back. Pull here and back, yes. Good Ankita, good. Bhavna, pull towards your face. This is where the band should come. Towards your face. Good Dipen, good. Very nice Prashant, Ajita, good. 15 counts is what we will be doing. Okay, one more set. Total 3 sets. 15 and then you relax, sit in a cross leg or get up and walk for 20 seconds or so and then start with your second set. Yes. So concentrate more on pulling it, and as you go down, the band should not get released. Resistance should be there when you pull it again and back. Pull it, yes. Push your elbows back as you pull it. Open your elbows and push them back as you pull it. Parag, you can slightly loosen the resistance there. So see, I know your black band is heavier, but what you can do is, you don't need to come back up full, okay? So if you are here, the band is heavy, you are pulling from here, okay? Come back here only. You don't need to go all the way, okay? So if you feel, you can loosen the band, pull it up from here and back. Pull it here, so band comes right across your face, elbows back and pull it back, yes. Second set, third set and so on. Take a breather of 20 seconds in between, walk around or sit in a cross-leg position. Yes, very good Vikram, very nice. Spend time here, we are not in a rush to jump to the next movement. We are going to spend time in the face pulls. Yes, Niti, let's go for it. 15 counts. Yes, good Niti, good. Try to raise your arms slightly up, yes, towards your forehead. Yes, good, good, very nice. Okay, done 3 sets. Amrish, you're done 3 sets. Okay, good. Get up, take a walk. Take a walk, everyone. Those who are done 3 sets, we'll be changing the movement now. So we'll be doing 1 set of renegade rows and 3 sets of band pulls. Okay. Alright. Now let's do renegade rows. Today we are not going to do full renegade rows because otherwise the concentration comes on balancing the core more and balancing your body weight on the dumbbells, which is not the target today. So the target today is to row. So I'm going to use one single dumbbell. Be in the plank pose here. Alright. Balance yourself and row from one up. Row, pause. Row, pause. Now, if this seems difficult, take one leg down. But make sure that your rowing is not compromised. Bend and back. Yes? Let's go for it. 10 counts on each hand. One hand normally remains in the plank. Let's try that. One side at a time. 10 counts. Slightly slow. Don't be in a rush to finish it. Parag, body straight, body is tilting. Keep your body straight, otherwise take one leg down. Good, Niti, good. Yes. Good, Ajita, good. Keep your body straight, Bhavna, body is tilting. Don't let it tilt. Radhika, torso down. Be in the plank throughout. If you are not able to keep yourself in the plank, take one knee down. 10 on each side is what we'll be doing. One single set. Okay, if you are done, you can get up. Alright, now we are going to do band pulls. And how? So, you take your band, hold it from one loop. Alright, this is an easier version. If you want, you can loop the band as well, but first try it with one loop, okay? We have done this movement before. Now just watch how we are going to do. So take your band out and in. Now just observe the angle. It is right across the shoulders. It is not up, it is not down, right across the shoulders. Band out, pause, in. Out, pause, in. Out, pause, in. So try to push it as out as possible, okay? You don't need to bring it back full in. If you feel this is easier, you can just hold both the ends of the loop like this and pull the band out and in. Out, pause, in. Elbows soft. Don't lock your elbows, elbows soft. Out, pause, in. Out, pause, in. Let's go for it. 15 counts. Neeti, you can tighten your band. You need more resistance there. Yes. Good, Dipen. Elbows folded. Don't lock your elbows. Yes, Bhavna. Let's go for it. Simple movement, working on our rear deltoids as well as our lats and traps. Yes. 15 counts. Second set, 15 counts as well. Third set will be with me. Do 2 sets, 15 counts. Okay, Rahul, if you don't have a longer band, what you can do is you can just hold the band like this from one end. So this is your loop, okay? So hold it like from one end. Try to pull it out and back, just from one side. Don't fold your elbows. Rahul, with the smaller band, you are not going to fold the elbows. You are going to pull from one end and back. Pull from one end and back. This is not working, Rahul. This movement will not work. Or else you can do back flyers. Alright. This is only for Rahul because he doesn't have a band, a longer one. Longer band hai na Rahul aapke paas? You have a longer band, Rahul? Yeah. So this movement is done with a longer band. Okay. Not with a shorter band. So hold the band like this and pull it out and back. Pull it out and back. Okay. No, don't fold the elbow like this. You are here. Pull it out and back. One end is straight. Yes, yes. Better, better. Okay. Now let's go for the third set with me. We are going to concentrate more on pulsing. Okay. So keep your band straight in front of you. We are going to start with me. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Normal band pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are going to pulse. 10, 1, pulse back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Walk around. We have 2 movements left. One is snowman and one is your Superman. Okay. Not snowman, I think it's called snowflakes. Okay. Now in the snowflakes movement, if you have socks, you can bring those. Any pair of socks. You can do it otherwise as well. If you're not able to arrange socks at this point, you can do it without socks as well. Just observe the movement. Okay. So I'm using these Pilates sliders here. Now what you need to do is just lie down. Alright. your hands on the socks. Okay, now from here, lift your upper body up. Bring your arms closer. Just let me step back. Okay, bring your arms like this, straight arms and body up. Upper body up. Now start taking a circle, bringing the arm down and up, down and up, down and up. Just circle with your arms, keeping your upper body up. You should not be here. Don't do this. You need to keep your upper body up. Turn your arm down, take it up. Down, take it up. Alright, if you can't arrange socks, yeah, I'm sure the floor will be slippery enough just to slide your hands also like this. Okay, yes, let's go for it. We'll do it for 30 seconds. Start. Yes, straight arms in circle. The pain you need to raise your upper body as high as possible. Yes, while you are doing this. Just as in the Supermans we do, raise only your upper body. Yes, Ankita, try taking your full hand down as much as possible and up. Yes, good Bhavna, good. Hands touching the floor as you glide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We'll do one more set of the same exercise. Okay, let's get ready. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Start. Yes. Upper body remains up. Glide with your hands. Lower body is on the floor. Lower body is not moving. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, get up, take a breather. One last movement is left. Okay, now we are going to do Supermans, again working on our lower back strength. Okay, let's observe. Now this time, in the first set, so you raise your upper body as well as lower body and come down. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Alright, in the first set, let's do 10 counts. Start everyone. Give it a pause. Don't be in a rush to finish the Supermans. Give it a pause. Start. On your own, 10 counts. Yes, very nice, Niti. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Up, pause, down. Yes, that should be the rhythm. Yes, good Bharat, good. Alright. Now, get up, take a walk before we do the last set and last movement. Take a walk. Bhavna, get up, take a walk. It is important before we do the last movement. Alright. Now we are going to do 10 Supermans at my count and then we hold it for 20 seconds. Alright. In the last 10 counts, I'll ask you to hold. You'll hold your Superman for 20 seconds. Let's get ready. We are going to do this together at my counts. Take your position. Starting in, Bhavna, take your position. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, hold. Hold it there. seconds gone by. 15 more to go. Keep breathing. Hold, hold, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, we are through with our workout.